Hello everyone, welcome back to MS YouTube channel. Today I conduct chapter number 8 in grade 5, subject EVS. Chapter name is Science of Kitchen. Today I explain you page number 67. Okay, and today's topics are spices and its taste. उनका टेस्ट क्या है? Spice means spices and मसाले and its taste. Okay, so in your textbook, page number 67. Many spices are used to prepare food in the kitchen. Salt, chili, turmeric, cumin, fenugreek, mustard, jaggery, tamarind, etc. are among these spices. It means in our kitchen we use many different types of spices like black pepper, white pepper, turmeric, salt, chili, and without these spices our food is tasteless. उनका कोई स्वाद ही नहीं आता है. It means without spices, food is incomplete. Okay. Such components are very important for our health. It means these all components like which one spices I am already told explain you. Salt, chili, turmeric, etc. These all are components are used in making the food. ये सब food बनाने के लिए क्या होते हैं? Use होते हैं. Which make the food rich in nutrition, vitamins, proteins, which is important for our good health. ये सब components यानी कि सब spice हमारी health के लिए अच्छे हैं. It's good for health. Also, these spices are useful to add a taste in our food. There is some scientific approach related to each of these components of the kitchen. What's the meaning of scientific approach? So, in our kitchen, there are some spices which is also used as a scientific approach. Again, everything. What's the meaning of scientific approach? It means useful to cure some disease or to increase our immunity. It means ये जो spices हैं, ये हमारी हमारे शरीर के अंदर कोई जर्म्स हो, हमारी बीमारियां हो, उनकी लड़ने की हमें क्या देते हैं? ताकत देते हैं, इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाते हैं. So, let's start. On your page number 67, I start this chapter. This two important topic, spice and on your test by some riddles जो आपके पेज नंबर 67 पर ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. Okay, so let's start. So our first riddle is, and briny taste is my friend, king of every kitchen, famous by this name. Again I am repeating. Briny taste is my friend, king of every kitchen, famous by this name. Okay, it means the identifier of their spice is salty. Briny means salty. Famous पहचाना जाता है. It means जो spice की मैं अभी बात कर रही हूँ, which I am talking about the spice, it is known as a salty. And is a king of kitchen. Yes, student, guess it. सोचो, you think about it. मैं कौन से spice की बात कर रही हूँ? Which one spice is talking about? Without this one spice, taste is food is tasteless. उसके खाने का कोई स्वाद नहीं आता है. और वो इस नाम से जाना भी जाता है. King of kitchen के नाम से जाना जाता है. For famous by this name. सोचो, think about it. Yes, my dear students. You guessed absolutely right. It is a salt. I am talking about here salt. Salt is a one type of spice. Okay. And now salt का टेस्ट क्या होगा? What is the taste of salt? Taste is salty. Okay. Now I explain you the benefit of this spice according to scientific approach. It means वो हमारी डिजीज में, हमारी बीमारियों में, कौन सी बीमारी में कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं इस स्पाइस को. That I explain you as how this spice is helpful in making our food healthy. हमारी बॉडी को भी हेल्थी करता है और हमारे फूड में ऐसे इम्यूनिटी, फूड के थ्रू हमें इम्यूनिटी बनाता है हमारे बॉडी की. So in your textbook is salty taste is mainly provided by salt. Of course, do you know it? Yes, we know. Salty taste हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? Salt में से. The food is tasteless without it. I am already explained you कि बिना सॉल्ट के हमारा खाना टेस्टी नहीं आएगा. सो फीका फीका खाना लगेगा. नाउ साइंटिफिक अप्रोच ऑफ दिस स्पाइस. ड्यूरिंग फीवर द क्लोथ soaked in salty water is kept on the forehead to reduce fever. It means fever means जब बुखार होता है, बुखार के वक्त कोल्ड वाटर में पानी डालो, नमक डालने से, if we are add salt 2-3 spoon salt in cold water and grab any cloth, cotton cloth and put it on our forehead, हम अपने forehead पर रखें, so हमारा बुखार खत्म नहीं हो जाएगा, बट इसे रिड्यूस, वो फीवर हमारा थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस हो. इवन डॉक्टर आर एडवाइस फॉर दिस वन थिंग. इफ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर तो आप ये कर सकते हो. ओके. सो माय सेकंड रीडर इज अ थॉट ऑफ मी sizzles your tongue and look how much waters. Sweet and sour is my tasty, yummy juice. One loves me. Again I am repeating. A thought of me. Thought of it. सोचो. Sizzles your tongue and look how mouth waters. It means सोचो, think about it. And after apply this one spice is the taste. हमारा माउथ कैसे हो जाता है? वाटर, पानी पानी, ऐसे खट जैसा आवाज आता है, सिजल जैसा आवाज आता है. स्वीट एंड सोर इज माई टेस्टी, यम्मी जूस, वन लव्स मी. इट मीन्स इनमें से जूस भी बनती है. यस स्टूडेंट्स, गैस इट. सोचो, थिंक अबाउट इट. आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ दिस वन. विच वन इज स्पाइस? यस, very good my dear students. I guess your guess is absolutely right. Even me also. Yes, I am talking about sour taste. Now I am here. Firstly write sour. Sour means khatta taste. Okay. Now sour taste apply in which spice? sour का टेस्ट हमें कौन सी स्पाइस से मिलता है? So there are many things are there, components are there, spice are there, like lemon, tomato, turnip, cucumber, amla, raw mango. But I am here write lemon. Now I explain you benefit of this spice according to a scientific approach, as how this spice helpful making of our body. Okay. Sour juice, it means khatta juice like lemon, oranges, amla, etc. juices obtained from lemon, tomato, turnip, cucumber, amla, raw mango, etc. Now this test, ये test, how this ये test, sorry, हमें कैसे help करता है in our body. Now listen very carefully. So test helps in डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड। ये टेस्ट हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हमारी हेल्प करता है। यू मस्ट हैव ड्रंक बटर मिल्क आफ्टर हैविंग मील्स। इट मीन्स खट्टा स्वाद, सोर मीन्स खट्टा। देन मेनी डॉक्टर्स आर एडवाइज टू अस कि आफ्टर मील यानी कि खाना खाने के बाद वी ऑल आर ड्रिंक बटर मिल्क यानी कि लस्सी पीनी चाहिए आफ्टर मील। बटर मिल्क इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड। बटर मिल्क हमारी बॉडी को डाइजेशन वाली प्रोसेस में हेल्प करता है हमारे खाने में। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन फर्स्ट इज salt, spice is salt and taste is salty. In a second, taste is sour. Salt के बहुत सारे lemon है, like you are here write curd in your textbook. Buttermilk made by curd. तो कर्ड का भी स्वाद कैसे होता है? खट्टा। ओके, now number 3. Third number letter. Green and red are my colors. Yes, I know. क्या समझ में आ गया आपको? Again, green and red are my colors. I am known as dash. I am not with this one answer now. Okay? Keeping your tongue spicy, tangy is my ability. Green and red are my colors. I am known as dash. Keeping your tongue spicy, tangy is my ability. Spicy means तीखी. Tongue means जबान. हमारी जबान को तीखा कर देता है. And its color is green and red. So now students, which spice I am talking? Yes, think about, guess it. Yes. My dear students, your guessing is absolutely right. I am talking about chili spice. Okay? Now, our third number letter answer is chili. And its taste is spicy. Okay. Now I give some explanation about scientific approaches of particular this spice. Chili से क्या फायदा हो सकता है? Which one disease are cured for? हमें कैसे disease से बचाया जाता है? And for using this one spice. Spicy taste is obtained from chili. Of course, we all are know कि चिली यानी कि मिर्ची में से हमें क्या मिलता है? तीखा बन मिलता है. स्पाइसी मीन्स तीखा. मस्टर्ड, ब्लैक पेपर, जिंजर, अजवाइन, गार्लिक, क्लव, व्हाइट पेपर, एक्सेट्रा. स्पाइसी स्पाइस इट मीन्स तीखा मसाला. kills harmful organisms. हार्मफुल यानी कि जो हमारी हेल्थ को डिस्ट्रॉय करता हो, हमें नुकसान पहुंचा दो, ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म को वो क्या कर देता है? किल इट, उनको मार देता है. बट लिसन वेरी केयरफुली माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बट टू मच ऑफ स्पाइसी फूड इज हार्मफुल. यस स्टूडेंट, in the last one video I explained one story about Mahesh. During this story time I explained you कि महेश है ना स्पाइसी फूड खाने की वजह से he was in hospitalized. So students, it's a request to you कि please don't be eat in a daily life and a spicy food. रोज हमें इतना तीखा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. Okay, now third number is complete. Chili and its flavor is taste is spicy. Okay students, I hope you understood today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.